So right now we're looking at just one of the many pages I personally run on Facebook, and normally I'll run in multiple niches and several pages within a niche, but I thought this particular one would make for a great demo, just so you can see for yourself a real live page. Now all the content that you see here, this is the most proven and highly engaging content within this niche on Facebook, or for any niche you're creating your page in, for example. And the coolest part is I didn't post a single bit of it because it's all completely automated. Now, as you'll see in just a second, there's some things you can do manually, if you can really call it manual work here, to give it that little extra flair. But basically, when 99% of the work is handled for you, it's so easy to do that last little 1%, or even just hand it off to an assistant for all your pages. Now, as you can see at the top here of this page, I've got a t-shirt running right now. Now I do t-shirt offers, CPA offers, you can do list building offers off of these, any of that kind of stuff. And the real power here in all of this is basically the insanely high level of automation that we can use to do this, to promote these things. And that's what I'm going to show you now. I'm going to go ahead and show you in basically 2 minutes flat how you can have a page up and running just like this for you to run your offers on. So right now I'm extremely excited to introduce you to the one and only Hero Tower, and this is the second version of our premium Facebook niche page and ad management automation software, and I guarantee you're going to be absolutely blown away when you see this thing. So first we're just going to log in, and this is a fresh account I set up for the demo. So when you log in here, the first thing to notice is you have a starter dashboard. Dashboards allow you to manage an entire niche and all your pages within that niche, and basically syndicate all the best content and your offers to all your pages at the same time. So here we're inside an empty dashboard. The first thing you're going to need to do is click here to add a page, or add all the pages that you want to syndicate this content to. So we go ahead and click that. Pick out your page. We're going to pick the one that we looked at earlier, and the next thing you need to do here is you need to go ahead and choose your posting schedule. So this is as simple as clicking on or off the times that you want the content to post. So easy as that, and you're done. Set the times you want it, and that's when your content's going to be posted to your page. So now that that's done, what we need to do next is we need to add some source content. So to do that, we have two different ways to go ahead and do it. We can add it with this Topic Explorer here, or we're going to go ahead and do it another way. I'm going to show you that real quick here now. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to use this second option, and I'm going to target pages directly within my niche that I know have awesome content. And to do that, we need to scroll down here where it says Content Source Pages. And I have a few that I've found already, so I'm going to paste those in, and all you need is the Facebook page URL. So to connect that, you go ahead and click this button where it says Connect to Facebook Source, paste in your link right here, then click Verify and Add Source. And it's as easy as that, and you've got your source added right here. I've got a few more that I'm going to add real quick, and I'm done, and that's it. So there we go. We've got several sources added now, and we're ready to go. So now I'm going to come up here to what's called the content stream on the top left and instantly generate my niche content by clicking this button here. And this will just take a minute, and it's actually going out and examining these pages or topics, if that's what you used, and ordering the content by the most engaging using a built-in algorithm. This is really high-level stuff here. And so there we have it. Tons and tons of the highest quality content ready to go. Now imagine that in just a few minutes we have all the best content in this niche already in the system, ready to be syndicated to as many of your pages as you like on a schedule of your choosing. Is that not out of this world awesome, or what? So right now I want to point out that you have a lot of control about what gets posted on your page. First of all, the system pre-filters content to only get the best content out there. But if you want even more control than that, you can use the content filters here. So you can add keywords and domains right here, and really anything you want the system to permanently block the content related to those things. And you can also control by the recency and the number of shares, the types of content such as the photos and the links. And quickly, I also want to point out up in the auto post settings right here, you have an advanced setting feature that allows you to do things like add standard messages such as call to actions on each post, and this is great for list building, for example, and or random messages that will be posted along with each auto post. So this makes your auto posts look even more natural by adding little messages to go along with them that change each time